There you'll be rich, and soon or faster, trust me. Give me a feathered hat, leather boots, and a strong sack. Trusting the cat's words, the young man brought the cat a hat with a red feather, a pair of leather boots, and a strong canvas bag. With the hat on his head and his paws in the boots, the cat ventured into the woods as a skilled hunter that he was. He immediately caught a fat rabbit. Then, with the rabbit in his bag, he set off for the royal palace. The royal guards. Castano, The royal guards, astonished, accompanied him to the throne room. When he was before the king, the cat bowed low and said, "This is a present on behalf of the Marquis of Carabas. Although I never met him, I gladly accept his gift," replied the king. In the days that followed, the cat returned many times to the royal palace with wild game, always saying that it was a gift from his master. One morning, he heard that the king and the princess were about to go for a coach ride along the river. Immediately, the cat rushed to his master and told him to have a bath in the river. The young man did. The young man did as the cat instructed, and a little later, the royal carriage crossed the bridge over the river from the river bank. The cat began to wave his hat vigorously, shouting, "Help! Stop the coach! Rescue him, please! Slow down! Bandits attacked him, took even his gown. Quick, he can't swim! The young Marquis will drown!" What? Sabi ako sa akin. Harama. Kakabili. The king immediately recognized the cat that had brought him so many delicious treats, and ordered his footmen to rescue the Marquis of Carabas. The young man was given clothes worthy of his status, and was invited to sit in the carriage, where he held an amiable conversation with the king and the princess. In the meantime, the cat sprinted ahead and told everyone he met along the way, The king and the princess are coming this way. They'll ask you who owns this land, and you must say, the Marquis of Carabas without delay." Then he scampered up the hill towards the castle of the real owner of the land, an evil orc with magical powers.
Ogre.
Telepono pa! The cat went to see the ogre and said,
Catch.
"Forgive me, my lord. Is it true that you can turn into any kind of animal?" "Of course I can," answered the
Ogre.
ogre. And with a bang and a puff of smoke, he turned into a terrible roaring lion. The cat whiskers quivered in fear, but he said, "And would you be able to turn yourself into anything smaller?" "I can be anything I like," burst out the big ogre, and he immediately turned into a little mouse. The cat, who was a crafty creature, didn't waste a moment. He immediately pounced on the
Immediately. Wala mang N yan.
immediately.
Immediately.
I am supposed to be immediately.
Yan mo na.
Turned into a little mouse. The cat, who was a crafty creature, didn't waste a moment. He immediately pounced on the mouse and swallowed him
Estino!
in one mouth.